Oh shit! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh! Oh my! Oh!
You know what? Fuck this. I should have bought a PlayStation. Alright, hardcore S&D.
Yes. Yes.
No.
Yes, we're gonna fuck with our own teammates this time.
Fine.
You mean to tell me you didn't have some good times on that couch?
Oh shit. You make it sound so fucking gay, dude. Oh my god.
Hey, it may sound gay, but we both know there was nothing gay about that.
Oh, fuck my life.
Bitch tub.
Bitch tub. Oh,
Oh.
fuck. You bitch.
The only bitching I do is when I make your mom work my corner.
How's that? Yeah, dude.
That ain't gonna
I
happen.
gotta talk shit about his mom. I gotta
Only on
talk shit about his
Tuesdays.
mom.
Maybe I was talking shit about your mama. You don't know.
Fuck you.
What Mike, do me a favor. Shoot him.
He was talking shit about both of our moms.
Oh, you dirty little cunt, slut whore bitch.
How do you really feel?
Oh my god, Oracle. No! Seriously.
Oh no!
Oh, God. Damn, Oracle.
I thought I was close enough for the Argus shot. Mid.
Oh, y'all just heard that RK5,
dude,
huh?
You got fucked up.
Oh,
Where is he?
M8.
Is he
Fucking
down?
M8. Cocksucker.
He's
whore.
over
He's
there,
over
Oracle.
there. I don't want to
He's
peek.
over
I'm so
by A.
scared. Okay.
I got him.
I'm pushing. Whoa.
Got one of them. Damn, son, where'd you find that?
What? I? Oracle, you picked up a gun.
I know. I'm sorry.
Bruh.
Oh.
That's what
I
you
know.
get,
I
bruh.
shouldn't have done it.
HVK, I'm trying hard. Whoa.
Really?
Don't worry. You don't have to try.
I mean,
Hold
the
up.
VMP, I'm
Because
really
you don't
trying
have to
hard.
try. Wanna know why?
Why? What?
That's why.
Fuck you. Dude, come on. Let me get at least
You don't have a kill?
you
Man, you
dick.
suck at this game.
No, I don't have a kill. Cause you keep killing me.
I don't.
Twice. Yeah, you do. I've died 3 times, one of
Oh, wow,
which
he's
was from
laying
an
down.
enemy.
Mike. Oh,
That
Mike,
guy-
you're red as fuck. I dare you to kill yourself.
I hope he kills you again.
Oh, try hard. Yeah, it's not quite rapid fire M8 try hard time yet. Look what he's using.
M8 and a fucking RK.
Damn.
That's what you get for trying.
Damn.
That's what you get for trying.
Whatever, bro. You fucking garbage ass motherfucking bitch, nick, cunt, slut, whore. Fuck.
Damn, tell us how you really
Yeah, dude,
feel,
you got anything
bro.
else you really have to get off your
Damn.
chest?
Put a dick in it. Thirding. Top rock is good.
He's somewhere over by A, but I have no idea where. I got
Oh, yeah,
shot
there's
in
two
the
of
ass
them.
as I was
Fuck
running through the
cocklicker.
barn.
I'll watch behind you.
I'm
You're
not
dead.
surprised, motherfucker. I'm back from the dead. What? I lagged. I'm watching you shoot. You're good.
What?